Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another unboxing today. Today is a special unboxing. One of my grails. I was able to pick up my second grail. It is, as you see, an Omega. Let me do a quick wristwatch check. Zen 104. And I apologize about the background noise. I'm at a different place. The dog's at my parents' house, so if you hear a dog roaming around, I'm sorry about that. But onto the watch. Which watch did I get? As you see, it's Omega here. I kind of cheated already, of course, yesterday I opened it up. But this piece is just killer. I love that it came with the wood box too instead of the red box. And of course, you see here the instructions. You know, nothing too crazy. You guys have seen all those before. And the warranty card and all that. But onto the watch. The watch I chose, the Omega Seamaster. I've wanted one of these ever since I watched Pierce Brosnan's Bond and GoldenEye, Tomorrow Never Dies, all those movies. And I wanted the automatic version. I thought about getting the Wave version, but I figured this version would be a little bit more versatile on the wrist. Go with a little bit more things. And I was tempted to get the Breitling Super Ocean Heritage, but I'm glad I didn't. Everybody I spoke to, you know, it's between that and this one. Everybody I spoke to recommended this one. I'm definitely glad I did. This bracelet here is really, really comfortable. I got this from my AD. There's the Omega clasp. The Seamaster, of course. Again, sorry about the lighting. I'm at a different location, so I don't have my lights. But that dowel though, that finishing on that dowel, is just killer. And of course, ceramic bezel. This is the SMPC 300, the coaxial. And I don't get what everybody's talking about the bezel. I guess because they're always comparing it to a Submariner. That they're talking about the bezel play isn't that good, but the bezel play is pretty good. Size-wise, I would say it's really close to my Zen 104 if you're looking at size. That's why I went with this one, the 41mm over the newer incoming 42mm, the 2018 Wave Dial. And I feel like the Wave Dial, it looks sweet. It's just not, you know, my style, I guess. Like the older Wave Dial looks a little bit better. I think the newer Wave Dial wouldn't be as versatile. I might be wrong, but it's classic non-wave blue dial, or you can go for the black dial. And a lot of people talk about these bracelets. This bracelet is really, really comfortable. About the most comfortable watch I've worn so far is probably this Omega. This and that Manta, the SkyQuest I have with that bracelet, that killer bracelet. Probably two of the most comfortable pieces I've ever worn. Look for a full review on this guy coming up soon, but I just want to do a quick little unboxing video for you guys. I hope, you know, today is the big game. Hope everybody stays safe, have some fun. Be responsible, guys. But anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Chris unboxing my Omega Seamaster 300. Let me know what you guys think down there in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, thanks. Peace.